Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is November the 8th, 2020, and I'm out here in the greenhouse, the new greenhouse, and I'm going to be transplanting the last two of my Sultane strawflowers here. And I'll show you some larger ones that I had transplanted earlier. Now the Sultane mix is it's a new mix that I'm trialing out. It's new for me anyway. And I had seen it, decided to trial it out and see how it does for me. Now the reason why I'm trialing it out in the greenhouse is because if it's something that I really like, I want to grow a lot of it next year. So by planting it in the greenhouse, I'm going to kind of get a feel for this variety to see how it does, what the blooms look like, kind of some of the different colors that it comes in. So I'm just going to rough the root system up here a little bit. There we go. There we go. Nice and transplanted there. So all I have to do next with them is get them watered. Now this variety gets about 36 to 40 inches tall. So as it gets taller, I'm probably not going to keep it on the shelves in the greenhouse. I'm going to set it down on the floor then, so it can grow taller. And the flowers on these are supposed to get about 2 to 2.5 inches across. So that's a pretty big straw flower there. And it comes in a few different colors. It comes in pink, salmon, purple, orange, red, white, and yellow. So I planted 8, I believe it was 8 plants so far to kind of see what this mix looks like and see how it does for me. So we're just going to gently get this watered in here. So I'll finish watering this then. Now I water my stuff till water runs out the bottom. My soil does shrink, so I'll have some things to fill in around the plants then, so that the roots aren't exposed. So I went back in here and I finished filling in around my plants here. And here's some more Sultane straw flowers here. Now these were transplanted a lot earlier. You can see the plants are much bigger. So far from what I'm seeing, they have really nice thick stems on them. So I have some more Sultanes right there in a container, and then I have some others elsewhere in containers. So really excited to see what this mix does and how it performs. So I'll come back with videos later on and talk more about the mix once I see how it grows and what the blooms look like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!